If you want to see simple squamous lining epithelium using a kidney section, just focus on the glomeruli. So these are these structures. Okay? So let's use the 400x magnification in this case. Okay? So this is still 200x. And now we're on 400x. So you have to focus the glomerular capsule, which is this very, very thin layer of flattened cells here. So as you can see, use the fine adjustment knob in order to visualize your flattened cells here. So their basement membrane is somewhere in this area, since this is the lumen that it is trying to line. Okay?